Phenol. Phenol, another name, carbonic acid. Here, carbo mean coal is a tar, obtained from the coal tar. Phenol and cresol can be obtained from middle oil fraction of coal tar by the distillation. Another method, from haloarine. Second method, from benzene. Third method, from diazonium salt. Fourth one, Rassig process. Next one, from tuning. First one, from haloalkane. Haloarine. C6H5Cl react with NaOH. Halogen attached with the benzene nucleus. This bond is a very short, strong, cannot be break easily. But break at a high temperature, 623 Kelvin, pressure 300 atm. Removal of NaCl, formation of C6H5OH plus NaCl. Common name phenol, IUPAC name hydroxybenzene. This process known as Tau's process. This reaction undergo aromatic nucleophilic substitution reaction. Another one, from benzene. Benzene react with oleum H2S2O7 or fuming sulfuric acid. What is the fuming sulfuric acid? SO3 gas passes through the sulfuric acid to formation of oleum. Structure is HO double bond two hydrogen, two sulfur, 7 oxygen. This sulfur and oxygen having the different electronegativity. This negative charge, this positive charge. This bond undergo break. This react with benzene to formation of benzene sulfuric acid. This benzene sulfuric acid again react with the NaOH to formation of SO3Na. Further heated 573 Kelvin in the presence of NaOH, this bond is a breaker to formation of ONA plus Na2SO3 plus H2. Further decomposes with diluted HCl to formation of phenol. This phenol can be prepared from the benzene. Another one is diazonium salt. Benzene diazonium chloride boil with water. How to write the water? HOH. This bond break. to formation of OH plus N2 plus HCl. This is a preparation of phenol. Another method, diazonium salt. This reaction follow the SN1 mechanism. Rate of nucleophilic substitution reaction depends upon the electron withdrawing group. Another one is Classic process. Starting from benzene, react with hydrochloric acid, oxygen, temperature 250 degrees Celsius in the presence of cupric chloride. In the presence of cupric chloride, benzene, carbon and hydrogen break to formation of chlorobenzene. Chlorobenzene first treated with steam, temperature 425 degrees Celsius. Steam means water. Removal of HCl to formation of phenol. This is another method. Next method is a fuming. Starting from benzene, react with propylene in the presence of orthophosphoric acid or anhydrous AlCl3 at 425 degrees Celsius or 25 atm pressure. This reaction takes place CH3 CH double bond CH2. There are two formation CH3 CH positive charge CH3, another one CH3 CH2 CH2. This is a positive charge. This one is a secondary carbocation, this one is a primary carbocation. Comparatively primary carbocation and secondary carbocation, secondary carbocation more stable. This attack with the benzene ring. This name is called fuming. Further, air oxidation, 5% of sodium carbonate. This bond break. So, cumene hydroperoxide. This two oxygen having the same electronegativity further is treated with water. It is a acid hydrolysis. Oxygen having the 2 lone pair. Among 2 lone pair, one is donated and accept the proton to formation of now this oxygen weak bond, next migration. Here there are two substituents present. Compared to methyl group and phenyl group, phenyl group is what more electron donating species, electron rich species able to donate this bond. This becomes CH3 positive charge, oxygen plus removal of water. Next, first is a protonation with water. This become CH3 C, CH3 so OH positive charge. This bond carbon oxygen bond weak bond. Further is what break. phenol plus CH3 C double bond OH CH3. Next, T protonation, removal of hydrogen to formation of CH3 C double bond O CH3. These are acetone used as a byproduct. Phenol is a major product. Preparation of phenol from cumene, very important. This method can be prepared from the industrial. Physical property. Phenol is a colorless. This turn pink color due to oxidation. This oxidation known as slow oxidation. Colorless. Hygroscopic nature. Turns pink color due to oxidation. Another one, acidic nature of phenol. Acidic nature of phenol depends upon the polar nature of the oxygen and hydrogen. In oxygen having the two lone pair, among two lone pair, one is donate to the benzene ring. Benzene ring is a electron withdrawing group due to plus M effect. This is first structure, second one, third one, fourth one, another one is the fifth one. First three are less stable because this three structure takes place charge separation. Here among the two oxygen, one oxygen able to donate to the benzene ring. Benzene ring is a electron withdrawing group due to plus M effect. At ortho and para position, this is a more electron rich species. This phenol ortho para direction activating group. Another one is ionization of phenol. Phenol undergo ionized in water due to plus M. This exists at equilibrium. This hydrogen, acetic oxygen having the two lone pair, among one is donated and accept the proton. this negative charge involved to the stabilized by the resonance. This one is a phenol, this one is a phenoxide ion. Compared to the phenol and the phenoxide ion is more stable than compared to the phenol. Why? Because in the phenol undergo charge separation, phenoxide ion do not undergo charge separation. Order of stability. Comparatively phenol and the phenolate ion is more stable than compared to the phenol. Phenol also it forms the high boiling point than compared to the alcohol. As a phenol having the more acidic than compared to the alcohol, you have to explain. Acidic nature of phenol. Phenol stronger acid than compared to the alcohol, but phenol is a weaker acid than compared to the carboxylic acid. For example, phenol C6H5OH react with electropositive metal to formation of C6H5ONa and liberation of hydrogen. C6H5OH, NaOH, C6H5 ONa plus water. This one is a strong base. C6H5OH, NaHCO3. This one is a weak base. This reaction does not take place because of weak. But carboxylic acid CH3COOH react with NaOH. NaOH or sodium bicarbonate to formation of salt plus carbon dioxide plus water. Carboxylic acid react with both weak base and strong base, but phenol is a react only strong base. So phenol is a weak acid when compared to the carboxylic acid. Another one. Electron withdrawing group. What are the electron withdrawing group? Minus NO2, CN, aldehyde, carboxylic acid, sulfonic acid. Another one is NR3 plus, etc. These are explained by minus M. Another one is minus I. Increase the acidic nature. Another one, electron releasing group R, OR, NH2, NR2. This group are electron releasing group. This is explained by plus M and plus I. Decrease the acidic nature. For example, order of acidic nature. . 1 This one, para-nitrophenol, ortho-nitrophenol, meta-nitrophenol is standard one. Here, NO2 group is electron withdrawing group. Both ortho and para explained by the minus M and minus I effect. But comparatively para and ortho hydrogen trapped by the NO2, this one is a less acidic. This one is explained by only minus M. This one is a standard. Order of acidic character. This one is a more acidic than compared to the remaining. This is point number 1. Point number 2. From haloarene. Here halogen, what are the halogen? Fluorine, chlorine, bromine, iodine. Compared to all the halogen, fluorine is a more electronegative. Electronegativity depends upon the minus I effect. For example, this all the halogen depends upon the electronegativity. So fluorine is a more electronegative than compared to the chlorine due to minus I effect. But this one is a very less acidic than compared to the para-chlorophenol. Why? Because 2p orbital of carbon and 2p orbital of fluorine having less electron withdrawing group. So less acidic. So order is another one is cresol. Here, methyl group is a electron donating group, like R, OR, like that. This explained by the plus M and plus I effect. Acidic character decreases. This one is a standard one. Here, methyl group present in the meta position. This explained by the plus I effect. But ortho and para portion explained by plus I effect. Another one is a Kuiper conjugation. Kuiper conjugation not observed in the meta position. Presence of hyperconjugation means acid strength will be decreases. Order is another one is the fourth one. OH group. Comparatively this one, this is a electron releasing group, this is a releasing group, this is a releasing group. This is a presence of meta position, this explained by the minus I effect. Here presence of ortho position explained by this plus I and plus R effect. It is also explained by plus I and plus R effect. Here electron donating group release more electron dense than compared to the ortho portion. This one is less acidic than compared to the ortho. Order is this is known as what? Acidic nature of phenol. Next, chemical properties of phenol. First one, reaction involving OH group. For example, phenol react with the zinc dust. This OH group can be replaced with the zinc dust to formation of benzene, zinc oxide. This process name is called identification of aromatic hydrocarbon. Another one is a second one, oxidation. Phenol undergo oxidize in the presence of chromic acid or chromium chloride or acidified sodium dichromate. This undergo oxidation. First formation of OH group. Among the two oxygen having the 2 lone pair, this is able to release to the electron density. Removal of hydrogen exists at equilibrium to formation of para benzo quinone to formation tar color triketone compounds from phthalic acid, anhydride, phthalic anhydride. Phthalic anhydride react with phenol here in the presence of H2SO4 concentrated ketone is a ether. Removal of water molecule because of concentrated sulfuric acid powerful dehydrating agent. Removal of water molecule. This name phenolphthalein. Phenolphthalein react with NaOH which gives the pink color. This theory explained by the Oswald theory. Removal of water. This is known as test for phenol. Normally benzene ring undergo electrophilic substitution reaction. What are the electrophilic substitution reaction? First one is halogenation reaction. Second one is nitration reaction. Third one is sulfonation reaction. Fourth one is nitrosation reaction. Here phenol ortho-para directing group is a first reaction is halogenation reaction. Phenol first react with bromine water. So phenol is a colorless brown color. Brown color dechlorates with phenol to formation of OH, Br is a Br. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. This group epoch group. This name 2, 4, 6 tribromophene white precipitate. This is known as test for phenol. Remove the water molecule. Here Br can be produced, Br plus and Br minus. This one acts as a electrophile. Electrophile is a electron deficient species can able to attack and the ortho and the para position. Another one is phenol react with Br2 in the presence of carbon disulfide or carbon tetrachloride. This low polarity, low temperature. This react with the ortho para product only. OH, Br, OH, Br. Orthobromophenol, parabromophene. Ortho and parabromophene can be obtained from the phenol in the presence of carbon disulfide. This reaction known as aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Here, ortho product a minor product, para product is a major product. Next one is nitration reaction. In the nitration reaction, there are nitration mixer, concentrated nitric acid plus concentrated sulfuric acid. Both are reacted, produce electrophile, NO2 plus water. This electrophile approach in the phenol, there are two different reactions. First reaction, dilute nitric acid. Phenol react with nitric acid, diluted in the presence of H2SO4. Temperature is at 298 Kelvin. At 298 Kelvin dilute acid, this nitric acid react with the ortho and para position. OH group, NO2. OH group is a NO2. This can be separated by steam distillation. Because of orthonitrophenol is a more volatile due to intramolecular hydrogen bonding. Paranitrophenol less volatile, it forms the intermolecular hydrogen bonding. This can be separated by the steam distillation by using the diluted nitric acid. Another from the constant nitric acid, OH group, HNO3. Concentrated nitric acid in the presence of H2SO4. Concentrated to formation of picric acid. NO2 is a NO2. Picric acid, this one used as a explosive compound. Generally carboxylic acid which containing the COH group, but this compound does not contain the COH group, is is a 2,4,6 trinitrophenol. This reaction known as a nitration reaction. It is also what electrophilic substitution reaction. Another one is sulfonation reaction. Here sulfuric acid produce SO3 neutral, HSO4 minus, another one is H3O plus. These are 2 times. Nitration reaction, irreversible reaction, but sulfonation reaction is what a reversible reaction. This one acts as a neutral electrophile. This reacted with the phenol. To formation of ortho and para product. SO3 H. OH, SO3H. Counter reacted. Here, para portion is a hydrogen, react with nitric acid, removal of water. This group potassium. Here, para portion hydrogen, HO, SO3 hydrogen. Removal of water. Water can be replaced by the constant sulfuric acid. This group further is treated with concentrated sulfuric acid and concentrated nitric acid to formation of picric acid. Because sulfuric acid or carboxylic acid present at the ortho and the para portion of phenol or aniline, this group replaced or removed by the any nucleophile or electrophile. This reaction known as ipso substitution reaction. Here at 280 Kelvin, this one is a major product. This one at 373 Kelvin, this one is a major product. So it depends upon the temperature. Major product can be explained by this reaction. This reaction known as a sulfonation reaction. Another one is nitrosation reaction. Phenol react with the nitrous acid. Hydrogen outright the nitrous acid, HO, NO. This phenol is ortho-para-diuretic group. Ortho-para is steric condense, only react with the para product. Oxygen having the 2 lone pair, among 2 lone pair one is terminated. This name is called para-nitrosaphenol. Para-nitrosaphenol to form the quinone compound. This further react with the phenol, OH group, in the presence of constant sulfuric acid. What is the use of constant sulfuric acid? Constant sulfuric acid is a powerful degrading agent, removal of water. This water molecule can be replaced. This become is a positive charge. This color is blue, green color. Further is a dilution, diluted with the water to formation of OH group. Next treated with NaOH. So sodium salt, this a blue color, this one is a red color. This is known as test for phenol. This reaction known as Lieberman Nitroso reaction. This reaction known as nitrosation reaction. First one is halogenation reaction, the second one is a nitration reaction, third one is a sulfidation reaction, another one is a nitrosation reaction. All the equation undergo aromatic electrophilic substitution reaction. Next one is Kolb's reaction. Phenol react with the NaOH because of phenolic hydrogen, acetic hydrogen, to formation of sodium phenoxide. Further treated with carbon dioxide, temperature 400 Kelvin, pressure 4 to 7 atm. This compound undergo formation of phenol and sodium salicylate. Sodium salicylate decomposes with dilute acid to formation of salicylic acid. Salicylic acid react with acetic anhydride in the presence of H plus. This hydrogen, acetic hydrogen, can be replaced with acyl group. Plus acetic acid. This means aspirin. Aspirin is a medicine. It is used for both analgesic and antipyretics mechanism. Comparatively, phenol and phenoxide. Phenoxide is more stable, so take the phenoxide. Next, react with carbon dioxide. Carbon dioxide acts as a neutral electrophile. This bond is accepted here. This one acts as an intermediate. Further is treated with water. This bond is accepted here. This bond in the presence of water. The formation of sodium salt of salicylic acid. Further is a decomposes with HCl to formation of salicylic acid. Kolb's reaction, it is used to preparation of salicylic acid. Riemann-Tiemann reaction. Phenol react with chloroform in the presence of NaOH at temperature 340 Kelvin. Key point, reflux. To formation of aldehyde. Orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde and parahydroxybenzoaldehyde. This orthohydroxybenzoaldehyde react with hydrogen peroxide in the presence of NaOH to formation of phenoxyl compounds. Further is a decompose or hydrolysis with water to formation of catechol. This one example for dihydric phenol. This reaction known as Deakin reaction. Both is ortho and para. mechanism. Chloroform react with the NaOH. Here there are 3 chlorine. All the chlorine release the electron density to the carbon. This hydrogen is acetic hydrogen. Thus acetic hydrogen can be replaced by the OH group to formation of CCl3 negative charge. Further is a removal of Cl to formation of dichlorocarbene act as a electrophile. This electrophile react with phenol. Comparatively, phenol and phenoxide ion more stable. It's a negative charge. This compound is unstable compound. Next undergo is a tautomerism. Tautomerism means migration of hydrogen from one carbon to another carbon to formation of this bond is separated here. This CH Cl, Cl. Further is a undergo hydrolysis with the NaOH to formation of O minus, CH, OH is a OH. This compound is an unstable compound. This bond break, removal of water to formation of another one is aldehyde. Further is a react with water, that is acid hydrolysis to formation of in chloroform. There are 3 chlorine. Chlorine is what electron released to the carbon. This hydrogen, acetic hydrogen can be replaced by the OH group to formation of neutral electrophile. This neutral electrophile react with the phenoxide ion to this intermediate. Another one intermediate. Final product is orthohydroxy benzaldehyde. Likewise, remaining formation of para-hydroxy benzaldehyde. Another one is coupling here. Electron withdrawing group, electron donating group, undergo coupling group. Here, benzene diazonium chloride, this electron withdrawing group, react with the phenol, OH group, in the presence of basic medium, pH range 9 to 10, temperature 273 to 278 Kelvin. At that temperature, chlorine and hydrogen can be replaced to formation of OH group. This name para-hydroxy azobenzene. Dye test. Color is orange dye. Another one is benzene diazonium chloride react with aromatic amine, that is aniline. Aniline react acid medium, pH 4 to 5, same temperature, At the temperature, HCl can be replaced in Dexter. This name para-aminoasobenzene yellow dye. This one alpha naphtha. Coupling position is a opposite. It's a coupling position. This one is a beta naphtha. This one is a coupling position. This is a coupling reaction undergo electron withdrawing group and electron donating group to formation of dye. This name is called dye test. Another one is rearrangement. Phenol react with acidic anhydride in the presence of NaOH. This hydrogen, acetic hydrogen, replaced with acyl group. Further treated with anhydrous AlCl3 to formation of ortho and para product. How to takes place this reaction? This aluminum electron deficient group, oxygen having the 2 lone pair, among 2 lone pair one is donated. This oxygen, there are 2 lone pair. This lone pair is what? Shifted here. This bond will be break. Next, phenolic oxygen having the 2 lone pair. This lone pair is shifted here. This attack on the carbonic compounds. This become further. This compound is an unstable compound. This reaction takes place RDS, slow step, migration of this hydrogen, this bonded separated. Further is a acid catalysis. The product is this bond break in the presence of H plus. To formation of orthohydroxy acetophenone similar to the para-hydroxybenzophenone. This reaction involves transfer of atoms or molecule from one position to another position within the molecule to form the new compound. This rearrangement known as Farey's rearrangement. Another one is pinacolan rearrangement. Starting material, this one example for tertiary alcohol. 1, 2, 3, 4. Parent hydrocarbon is a 4. 2, 3 dimethyl butane 2, 3 diol. This can be obtained from the 2 moles of acetone react with the magnesium in the presence of benzene act as a solvent. This compound further treated with H plus. Oxygen having the 2 lone pair. So both group same group. Is any one of the OH group is oxygen able to tonate and accept the proton to formation of is a positive charge. Here carbon oxygen bond is a weak bond. This undergo break to form tertiary carbocation. This carbocation tertiary carbocation migration of methyl group. Next to migration of methyl group. CH3, C double bond OH, positive charge, CH3, CH3, CH3. Next T protonation, removal of H plus to formation of CH3 double bond O, C CH3, CH3, CH3. This one is pinacolan, keto group. This one tertiary alcohol group converted into keto groups. Suppose another compound this is a different compound. This one react with H plus to formation of 2 product. Is a oxygen, this different group, this one also different group. Oxygen having the 2 lone pair, among 2 lone pair, one is donate and accept the proton to formation of in another way. This one is a diphenyl carbocation. This one is a benzyl carbocation. Comparatively, diphenyl carbocation, benzyl carbocation, diphenyl carbocation is more stable than compared to the benzyl carbocation. This compound undergo rearrangement. This carbocation, tertiary carbocation is more stable. Attached with the methyl group and the phenyl group. Comparatively, methyl group and the phenyl group is a more electron density, able to donate the electrons. Next, T protonation, removal of H plus to formation of EH. Here, order of migratory aryl very greater than the hydrogen, greater than the alkyl group. Comparatively, aryl group, hydrogen and alkyl group. Aryl group is a more electron density, able to donate to the electron. This rearrangement known as pinocol-pinocovalent rearrangement. Let us recap the preparation of aliphatic alcohol and aromatic alcohol. Aliphatic alcohol preparation, physical property, chemical property, mechanism, rearrangement. Aromatic alcohol preparation, chemical property, physical property, acidic nature of phenol, mechanism, rearrangement. Organic compound is a more volatile nature. It's a easily evaporating subject. Daily how to practice the organic reaction regularly, how to achieve this compound. Good luck.